At this point, coach, I would like to have a formal sit down with you because I think I have a problem.
Changes never go.
Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Imani. If you are not, hey girl. So if you don't know, I am a coach girly and I need a little retail therapy. So my husband took me to Coach and I did a little shopping. Not a little bit, we did a lot of shopping, okay? So let's go see what I picked up. First up, we have the Trekker bag in signature canvas. I like this particular color and style of the bag because it doesn't scream, "It's a Coach duffel bag." It's more of a quiet and classy luxury duffel bag. So when you get close enough to actually see the C's, you're like, oh, she's luxury. So aside from the regular handles on this bag, it has a detachable strap, which makes it good for a nice shoulder and crossbody duffel bag. She's also 52 inches, which means she can carry about a week or two worth of clothing in it, depending on your destination and how efficient you are in actually packing a bag. But for a girlie that's taking like a quick trip, or like I said, not a quick trip, you're taking about a week or two, she's good for you, perfect for you. What's even better about this Coach Trekker bag is that Coach actually designed this bag to be TSA compliant, meaning she's the perfect size for a carry-on. So I don't know about you, but some people are like, I'm not checking my bag, especially not a nice luxury bag like this. You don't have to worry about it. Coach made sure to be like, no, this bag can go with them. They're fine. They don't need to check it. Next up, we have the Coach Maggie Tote. This is a refined pebble leather, which means this particular material helps hide everyday scratches and scuffs. So it makes it a low maintenance bag, but gives off high maintenance for our luxury girls that need an everyday bag. Of course, she is a beautiful top handle bag. I love the shape of her. She's nice and square. She also comes with a strap. So if you wanted to make her crossbody or shoulder, you can do that. This one is more of like the belted strap, not more so like the adjustable one with the buckle that you can move up and down. This one has more of a refined luxury look to it with that belt buckle statement piece. So if you want that nice crossbody and shoulder, she can do it for you. So my favorite part of this bag, honestly, is the 4 protective feet at the bottom of the bag. So you know us girls that like to sit our purses down, and I'm not talking about the floor because I will never sit my purse on the floor. If you know, you know. But what I like about these protective feet is that, you know, if I do go to sit her down, I don't have to worry about if there's anything sticky or nasty on the table or whatever, and I sit her down, it's all on the fabric of my bag. No, she's lifted up slightly and she has these little legs to help protect her fabric. And even though they said this particular fabric is made to be durable, she's still a luxury bag. We still want to make sure she's taken care of, and by all means, I don't want stuff on my bag. So I do like that she comes with this. This bag also is the smaller version because it actually comes in a bigger tote size bag. And though she is very stunning, I realized I did want something smaller for another everyday purpose too when I don't want to carry my tote bag. So I chose this particular color too because I realized I didn't really have any regular brown bags that I can just, you know, use for everyday purposes, and I chose that color for this particular reason. And I feel like you can dress her up in some like really formal full glam look, or you can do comfort cutie day and still rock her. Like, I feel like she's the perfect everyday small bag. Next up, we have the Cosmetic case in signature canvas as well. So if you've been on my channel, this is pretty much self-explanatory in itself. I am a makeup girly, and I realize I have makeup bags, but I don't have anything that's actually sturdy that gives off grown. A lot of my bags are pretty flimsy, or they're just like quick thrown like in another bag, like nothing that is just like, oh, like she's durable and I could just take her out and just sit her somewhere. Like this right here does it for me. And I actually like the fact that she comes with a mirror too. I love that. So if you're on a plane or a train, not trying to rhyme here, or you're just out and about and you need to touch up your makeup or anything like that, or even do your makeup because you have somewhere to be as soon as you land, she comes with a mirror on the inside. And then also, aside from her being a super cute cosmetics case, I honestly feel like she would make for a cute like accessory bag, like, you know, like a statement piece to your outfit. I feel like if you didn't want to just carry makeup in here, you can actually just carry her around for the day. She's super cute, super sturdy too. Like the way she's structured is, you know how some makeup bags, they kind of like fall flimsy? Not her. She's gonna keep this shape no matter what. So if you wanted to throw like, you know, your makeup in here with a small cute wallet or whatever and your phone to be on the go, you can do that. Or if you just want to keep true to what it's for, which is the cosmetics, this is your girl. And honestly, I love her down. They had some other coats in there, but I really like this dark one. Like I said, it's Coach. Yes, you can see with the emblem right here, but it's not like boom, it's Coach. Like it's like, oh, she's classy. I like her. Next up, we have Coach's Teri mini crossbody bag. So this purse actually my daughter picked out herself. Y'all, that's a whole nother story in itself. Okay, mind you, she's 3 and she is a whole diva. The Coach associates were literally getting a whole kiki out of my daughter while they were out and around the store picking out things that they thought that she would like. And she was like, no, I like it, but I don't want it. Like she was literally in there giving like full-blown diva. And honestly, she's something more than a diva. I don't even know what to call it. Somebody send help now. But what makes this bag so cute is that she comes with a cute detachable chain link shoulder strap. So cute for just throwing it on your shoulder. My daughter is going to kill me for wearing her bag. But as you can see, you can put it on the shoulder. She also comes with the same strap as my Maggie tote bag. What I think is perfect about this bag, aside from the florals, I think it's the perfect bag for like the spring and Easter coming up because of the florals and the lilac and the purple. It definitely gives spring vibes, and I think this is the cutest little bag for her. Super cute. Staying on topic with Naomi's picks, we actually have this cute Coach mini backpack, and I think the cutest thing about it is that it's actually a keychain / purse charm. So as soon as my daughter walks in the store, she actually saw this and she was like, I have to have this bag. And I even told her, I said, baby, that is a charm. Like, it goes on a keychain, it goes on your purse. And she was just like, I don't care, I want it, it's cute. This was actually her first pick. The last bag that I just showed you guys was her second pick, but she really loves this backpack, and I think it's so cute. And honestly, for my moms out here in Coach, what I do love is that even though they are charms, I think if you have a daughter and she's into purses and you just want to get her first luxury cute little bag, honestly, I feel like getting her these little ones, because they also have like top handle ones. It's so cute, it's so dainty, and it's the perfect size for them walking around. You could put like their cute little mints or whatever, or bubble gum, or like little lip gloss in there for them if they like to carry around little purses like my daughter. This is actually her second Coach bag. Mind you, I told you she's 3. Next up, we have my Coach City tote bags. This particular one I am currently carrying as my everyday bag. And if you watch my previous videos, you know that this bag right here carries my entire life in it. And if you haven't seen that video, I advise you to go check it out, because I'm not kidding when I say it carries my entire life. Having both of these totes, I actually like to trade them off. So as you saw, the one that I told you that I carry around the most, which is my light brown one, I like to use that one more daytime one, just because of obvious reasons. The color's brighter, it gives off more daytime vibe. And then I like to trade off like in the evening or at nighttime. The color just gives off like evening. It just gives off nighttime. And I think it's just because it's so dark, but I actually really love that about the bag. My favorite accent of this bag, honestly, is the red interior, that cherry. I think it's super stunning. But overall, the functionality is the same between the two. These are my girls. I go to those bags all the time. They literally stay by my bed on my rack because I pick them up and go. They are the best totes, hands down. Lastly, we picked up the Coach Men Eau de Parfum. The main accord in this cologne is aromatic, woody, warm, spicy, citrusy, fresh, spicy, rose, and herbal. The top notes are bergamot oil and cardamom. The heart of this cologne is geranium and cedar, and the base of this is actually trademarked by Coach. It's Saffiano leather, and forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, vetiver, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This scent is very manly, it's very strong, it's very evening, nighttime. I would opt in to only particularly wear this at nighttime, but without getting into it too much, because if you guys would like to see a cologne haul of my favorite scents that my husband wears, I would love to do that for you guys. Just giving you guys the basics of this. This scent right here smells so good, and obviously because it's coming from Coach, it's a luxury scent. It lasts all day. It just smells so good. Like if you have a man, or you know, if you have a brother and you want to give it to somebody like that, or your dad or whomever in your life, this right here smells so good. It's a really good fragrance. Honestly, I don't even know why I didn't pick me up a Coach fragrance when I was in the store. I'm probably gonna go back and go do it, but I advise that you get this for the man in your life if you like men that smell good. Now that my Coach collection is growing, because I will be going back for that Coach tabby purse. Craziness, because in the store they had the smaller one, but I didn't want the small one, I want the bigger one. But she was sold out because she's such a popular bag, but I'm gonna go back and get her. But I feel like I will be doing doing more of these hauls because like I said, I am a Coach girly. Down from the earrings, I don't have them in right now, but down from the Coach earrings and the bracelet that I have, I love me some Coach. I just love the bags. I love the feel. Honestly, I love the shoes in there too, the scarves. I love it all. It's just a classy store. And when you walk in there, it's like going into a candy land for women and honestly for men too, because they have some nice stuff in there for men. And aside from wanting to do these just because I love Coach, I also love putting my girls on. So if you want to know like the latest on Coach bags or Coach accessories, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you, hey girl, this bag is out here. It's trending, it's fashionable, it's classy. It's gonna get the look together. Go get it. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to be your friend that keeps you in the know, especially if you're a girly that is like, I'm not really sure what my taste is, but I like her taste, which means we both have the same taste. Classy and refined. I got you, friend. If you liked any of the pieces that I've showed in this video, I have linked them in this video as well as in the description. Please give this video a like. Do not forget to subscribe. And in the comments down below, let me know what your favorite piece was from this haul that you liked the most. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't got no favorite piece. I was about to lie and say that I did, but honestly, all the pieces are tea, Henny, okay? All of them are tea. But if you have a favorite piece, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts on what you like the most. And if you want to see me talk more about this particular bag or whatever piece that you saw and that you like, just let me know and I can do that for you, friend. We can have a whole kiki in the comments. Again, do not forget to subscribe, friend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.